Hello and welcome. My name is Nate Varan with Pemberton Homes, and today I'm excited to share with you my latest listing at 1533 Braddock, nestled in the heart of Errington, minutes away from Parksville and its spectacular beaches. This amazing and unique property at 1.63 acres offers an incredible opportunity for generational family living or as a revenue property for investors alike. The property features a full duplex with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms on each side. One side has an additional flex room and a brand new heat pump. There's multiple outbuildings, including an old farmhouse that's been decommissioned, a 4-bedroom rancher, as well as another farmhouse which is now being used for storage for farm equipment. The old farmhouse has been decommissioned, but it's got a new roof, it's got a septic system, and you can hook it up to the well. Another awesome feature is the large shop. It's heated, it's insulated, it's on concrete slab, it's got a 1-bay garage, and it's waiting for your ideas. Finally, we've got a 4-bedroom rancher on the property. For generational family living, this is a great place for the parents to live while the kids are in the duplex. This amazing property has so much to offer. If you'd like to find out more, contact me today. I'm Nate Varan with Pemberton Homes.